Hello, my name is Mona, I'm crochet designer, and today we will be speaking about crochet mistakes. I will tell you 3 main crochet mistakes that people are making when creating their projects. So let's get started. I'm here on the ground because I'm making the rugs, and I will show you what mistakes I made. The first mistake people are making is crocheting either too tight or too loose. How tight you are crocheting depends on the project you are making. For example, I'm making bags like this one, this one, this one, or even this one. And as it is a bag, a tote bag, I'm crocheting it quite loose because I want the bag to be soft and nice. Now I'm creating a rug. I will show you. Right here I have 2 rugs. This one is a failed project and this one is a nice project that I am working now. So I will unravel this rug and use the cord for this one. So what are the differences? As I said, the first mistake is crocheting too tight or too loose. For crocheting this rug, I was crocheting too loose. You can see it's not flat. As it is a rug, it should be more flat. You can see the stitches are too loose. And in this one, I made tight stitches, more tight, and I like the final result more. Now on this rug, you can see it lays down on the floor really nicely. So it's really important on what project you are working on and how tight you have to crochet the stitches. I know that you will be asking what I'm using, so I'm using 6mm monomer studio cord. It's the cord perfectly fitting for crochet projects. It was designed for crochet projects. It's one on the only macrame cord created in Lithuania, Europe, 6mm, many beautiful colors to choose from. All the links to the cord, the pattern and crochet do-it-your-kits is below in the description. The second mistake is using wrong hook with your yarn or cord. As for me, as for the rug that I failed, I was using 6mm monomer studio cord and 8mm hook. When crocheting it, I noticed that the stitches that I am making are too loose, as I mentioned before. Then I took 7mm hook and I liked the result much more. However, when I am making tote bags, I am using the same 6mm cord and 8mm hook. So you see, the same material can be used with different hooks to create different result. So once again, it depends on the project that you are working on. So choosing the right yarn or cord and the right hook is very important. What else I want to mention about the material that you are using? Think about where and how it will be used. When creating a project, please choose the right material. For sweaters, hats and scarves you are using like cotton, wool, very soft yarn. For the projects that I'm making, for example rugs, I have to use really strong but also soft to be able to crochet with material. This rug will be located outside in my terrace during winter, snow, summer, sun and rain, so it has to survive. So this material is perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. So choose the right material, right yarn and right hook for your project. Third crochet mistake, using the wrong pattern. It all depends on the pattern. The final result depends on the pattern. Like I'm creating now a new pattern for the rug and I did not make enough stitches, did not increase and decrease at some places, so the final result is not what I expected. So using the right pattern allows you to create fabulous, nice and stylish projects. I will show you how my rug looks like when I was using not the right pattern. Once again, this is the rug that I failed to make, that I did not like. And speaking about the pattern, I did not like how I made these parts of the rug. Right here I have nice holes and nice loops made, but right here they were too small, not enough chains made right here, so it did not look nice. So the problem is with the pattern. So I decided to remake this pattern and look at it now. You can see the holes right here and almost the same holes right here. It looks much better now. So the final result is coming up. I hope you will like also this pattern. Written instructions will be left on my website, and I will unravel this project and use the cord for my new rug. By the time that you are watching this video, I think that the crochet rug is done, and full step-by-step instructions is on my website. You can find the link below in this video. So the page is monami.com. You can see also right here. I hope this video was informative for you. You liked it, and please visit my main channel, subscribe to my channel. Please visit my main YouTube channel. I have many modern, easy and fun crochet video tutorials that can be perfect just for you. Enjoy, have fun crocheting, creating your own projects, and thank you for watching.